Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the Dropbox app and signing in. This links the device to your account. Next, place files into the local Dropbox folder or select folders via Preferences right arrow sync to start transfer. Make sure Selective Sync or Smart Sync settings match what you need so unnecessary files don't waste bandwidth. Once done, watch the tray icon for upload progress. Green means synced. This initial step creates the canonical copy that other devices will mirror. Now you monitor the synchronization process more closely. Click the Dropbox icon to view active uploads and downloads and to pause sync if needed. If two devices edit a file simultaneously, Dropbox creates a conflicting copy. Open each file, decide which version to keep, then delete or merge the extras to avoid repeated conflicts. Also make sure bandwidth limits are set in Preferences so sync won't hog your network. This helps maintain responsiveness while large transfers complete. Finish by confirming green checkmarks on files across all devices and opening them to verify current versions. If a device shows outdated items, click Restart or Sign Out and sign back into the app to force a refresh. When problems persist, relink the computer in Account Settings or reinstall the app. This refreshes authentication and local indexes. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect file names, path length, and permissions. Illegal characters or locked files often block syncing and are quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.